I just want to make this video to Evangelist Ebuka Obi because that's no okay get make dey like this. All na agu em he hold you eboro agu. Ejiri ana egwu. It's high time Evangelist Ebuka start reacting to all this nonsense. For me, because I don't see any reason why an Igbo person Gapota saying that a fellow Igbo person like him will not do something in Igbo land. I found the reason why somebody Gapota from Enugu State. So when he menata Evangelist Ebuka host to crusade in Enugu State. Enugu State is part of Igbo land. And every Igbo person have the right to do whatever within any part in Igbo land. Evangelist Ebuka and Zion Ministry should take this recent incident very, very serious and get to the root of this whole nonsense. We want to know that person that gave an order for the stadium to be locked after the ministry or the management paid in full for that particular stadium for weeks or months, and the event was announced. In fact, this particular concluded crusade, they used to announce it every day. So if there is any issue, I don't see the reason why they will wait till that day of the event to mess things up. And on top of that, they came to pick him up as what? As a nene or as Deriwa Mama. Someone like Evangelist Ebuka, you just out of nowhere, just to hold him down, detain him, so that people will be for crusade. I know I got half here, my things are messed up. Then maybe after that, you guys will release him and achieve your plan. But God is not stupid, like I always tell people. Evangelist Ebuka and Zion Ministry should not allow this incident, the recent incident, to just pass like that. They should pick everyone involved, especially those people who make flyers that the crusade Agaha Ehuduzi. According to the update I received, some of them, the should be investigated to know who sent them, to know who sponsored that particular act, and whoever that is involved should be punished. Because this whole matter now, be careful. When I was speaking with this guy on the phone regarding everything, at the point he was saying that when the Spirit of God revealed to Evangelist Ebuka that they are coming for him, he have to leave the hotel and Ghana somewhere, like just from out of the hotel and go to somewhere else to spend the night, so that those people will not see him. It's embarrassing. It's very, very. In fact, I've been pissed off now that the phone call when he was saying a lot of things. Who is that person as who like in one Enugu state you personal property or personal state here? Nobody is more Igbo than anybody. And as far as you are an Igbo person, you have the right to do whatever you want to do in any part of Igbo land. Everybody involved in this whole case should not be left out. Both the commissioners in our own order, order, not to allow whatever. They should go to this place. Who are you? Who gave the order? You know? And it's high time. When they say we can start mentioning names. Make the thing cause level ano kita aboze level ka ya na respect ko onya ke respect onya encourage women especially when that particular person don't want to respect himself, then there is no need of that respect. When you are trying to respect someone and that person is not respecting himself, there is no need. You know? So it's high time. A lot of things happened all these years. Many times, AG made topic. No bako. I don't want to. I try to make wafa. When I wouldn't respect so much. Owe noro na arokage. Na arokage. Now look at the kind of gang up. This recent one should let Evangelist Ebuka know that these people are very mean to him. In fact, these people favor off easily. You see this recent incident, for me, is an eye-opener to him. Because it's not making any sense to me. If at all, no way, whatever, actually invite here to police station or whatever, must it be that night, stroke the next day of his event? And let's say no, we go there to reach the stadium where they paid in full. You guys collected the money, and this event has been announced. Like they used to announce about this particular event every day, and you guys are aware of it. Nobody said anything. Nobody sent an invite. Nobody sent a text message that no, you guys should stop talking about this event. It's not going to happen here. We want to use this stadium, or we want to do this on this stadium. Only want to bank it a lock or up until the last day, stroke the day of the event. Gang up a quick a flyer for you to see how wicked and heartless these people could be. You get on one side, design their flyers, make it. Now, this person, this thing will not hold again, just to discourage people from coming. But guess what? What happened at last? And you think God is stupid? No, it's not possible, because I've had it all. We have seen it all, even from when I was over there, before coming over to this side. So it's high time you act. No bishop or me. That you know the very deep. Oh, we can see bishop or me. And that make here one day. Pinyogi koko. Obi ora oko.